In the previous video, we have set up the environment, and in this video, we are going to create the observable using from observable. So, how we can create the observable? So, there are multiple ways to create the observables. Uh, let's start with the simple method called from method. So, let's import the from RxJS. Import from from RxJS. So we will create the observable using array. So let's create the array. Let array which holds the value 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, so let's create the source. Let source which is holding the observable by calling from method, and passing this from method is taking an argument as a observable input. So we are passing this array as a observable input, and it will create the observable. So as a we can see that the return type of this from method is observable. So I'm passing this the array. Now to know or to know the emitting value of this source, we need to subscribe this array. So when until we subscribe this source, it will not produce any value. So when we subscribe this source, it will produce the internal element. So source dot having method subscribe, and this subscribe is taking an argument as a observer. So whenever the source or that observable emits the value, that observer catches the element and uh, give us a way to take an necessary action. So this observable this observable, that subscribe method, is taking the observer as a uh, input for this method. So how can we create this subscriber or observer? uh, let us take let us create a simple way to create this observer by using class. So let's create a class called my observer. This observer uh, mm, simply need three methods uh, become observer to become an app observer. So first method is next. So whenever this subscribe observable emits the value, it this observer catches that data into X variable and do the necessary action on this. The next method is error method. Error. So whenever the subscriber observer will emit the error method will called, and it immediately uh, close the stream. And the next method is the complete method. This complete method will not take any argument. So whenever the observable get complete or emitted all the values, so after that it will call this complete method. So we will going to just console this value, log out the on console this value. So let's console dot log and emit the emit the value, same as log error also. And here we will show the message that observable is completed. Observable is completed. Okay, now error. So so we have to pass the instance of this my observable class to the subscriber. So let's create the object of this my subscriber my observer class and pass to the this subscribe method. Okay, so it takes it as you see that this subscriber take the observer as a parameter, and whenever this source will emit the value, the subscribe observer will handle that subscription where the data whatever the data is came it observe on that. So let's pass it, and as soon as I saved, you can see here on the console that whatever the value is emitted here uh, is coming from this observable array. So if I'll change, you can see the difference that if I am saying I am calling it as a value colon and dollar interpolation, and I clear the console. Now you can see that value uh, colon 1 value colon 2 value colon 3, and after that all value has emitted, then the observable is completed event is fired, and this complete method is get called. So this is not a asynchronous data. Obviously it's a synchronous data, but in future we can create this means create the this observable from the asynchronous data also, like mouse click and mouse movement uh, event. So this is in this way we can create the observable from method. So there is a one simple method simple way also to create the observer by just passing the object to this subscribe method, just like let's create one object obj2, and it having same method next colon, and it will having it take an take an argument as a x, and simply log the information to the console. And next method is error method, which take an error, and this we will simply log the error info here also. And the final method is complete. So I can simply name as complete, and it is not taking any argument, and we just simply log the info here as a is completed. And now I can pass this object. So I clear this console, and I just simply pass this obj2 to the subscribe, and you can see the same result. And we can also give the simple this observer having error and complete method is a optional method, but we can also pass and just like the anonymous function. So whenever this is the next method which taking the value as x, as you can see, and error method as a error is a nullable parameter is there, so it is the optional, and complete is also. But the first method is that next method we can observe the value from this observable using the next method by passing simply the next method here, and uh, creating and just consoling the value here. and save it. So you can see that the value is populated on the console. In this way we can simply create the subscribe to the observable using multiple ways, by creating a simple observer class or the simple object and simple passing the next function.